I'm stuck in the middle of the desert. I've been driving for 7 hours and I haven't found my way out. Please help.
Hello.
Good morning. So I just woke up here at Dinosaur Provincial Park and I'm gonna go check out this scenic route. And then we'll be on our way towards Saskatoon. It's about 5 hours away. Yeah, I've never been there. Usually I take the highway that goes through Regina, but we'll check Saskatoon out. The capital of Saskatchewan. Wow. Fossil number 1. Fossil display number 2. They left all their tools here. Interesting. So apparently out here we got cactus plants, northern scorpions, prairie rattlesnakes, and even black widows. So we are leaving the Badlands. So cool. I didn't even know that geography existed in Canada. What's up, guys? So my name's Seb. So I'm heading left Lake Louise. I'm heading east all the way back to Ontario where I live. So we'll see. The journey begins, man. The journey begins. So I'm just driving out of Saskatchewan now. Just hit the Valley Village there, found some good CDs. And now I'm heading to a small town called Russell, just outside Saskatchewan, a couple hours or so. And yeah, I'll show you guys how I make my overnight oats for breakfast tomorrow morning. So just made it to Russell. Nice little courtesy campground over here. We'll check it out. All right. So we're gonna make some overnight oats. Just get some old-fashioned oats or quick oats, but you don't need quick oats because you're doing this overnight. I'm gonna pour them to about halfway up this part, and then pour your water in. Probably a good amount of water. Then I like to add raisins, some coconut. I throw in some of this protein powder as well. It's vanilla flavored. It goes really well with it, and it's just fuel. A nice heap and scoop. Oh yeah. And then of course some nice real cinnamon. So here you have it, your overnight oats. Morning. Day 3. I am home. Is it ever nice to be back in Ontario? Well, it's about time I show you guys the car I've been driving. This is my car, a 2008 Chrysler Sebring. Inside we have a 2.7 liter V6, twin turbo, 600 horsepower. On the passenger side, you know the drill. Got our charger. Always have a lighter. The back seat we have our clothes. In the back we have some food. Pretty nice setup, box for food, another box for food, cutting board, random stuff. And in the front we just have some toiletries and some miscellaneous stuff. Headlight, chocolate.